Welcome back, Truth Seeker. September 23rd, 2019. One of the top stories today is that there's 3 storms in the Atlantic. And it's not an accident that this is a top story on this specific date of the year. Again, it is 67 years since 1952, the year that weather warfare was admitted to. And if you're living under a rock, it's time to wake up. You live in a world controlled by banker tyrants and disaster capitalists who make a killing, literally, off destroying places and rebuilding them because of the lending that is done to rebuild after the damage. And also because of the lending that is done on the, militaristic operations that take place in this world, from unnecessary wars to weather warfare. All that spraying in the skies isn't cheap. So, here's what's up with today, September 23rd. It's a date written 23/9, like 239, which is the 52nd prime number. And again, it was 1952 that weather warfare was first admitted to by the UK government. The sun never sets on Britain because the New World Order might as well be the United Kingdom. If you think the US got free from the UK on 7/4/1776, you better read my book. Got a lot to catch up on. But anyway, 239, the 52nd prime, these numbers always used together ritualistically in weather warfare. Flood equals 52, hurricane 52, earth 52, NWO 52, government 52, authority 52, the cabal 52, Kabbalah 52, and the list goes on. Special number here. They didn't admit weather warfare in 1952 by accident. So, anyway, that piece there's more I could say about the storm names. We'll save it for later. But with regards to climate crisis and weather, also in the news today, a 16-year-old girl, the sensation of the nightly news for scolding the world elite over not taking care of the planet. And there is, some merit to this, but there's also something symbolic about having a young child scorn the adults who should be the leaders at this moment in history, It's a generation absent leadership. It's children growing up with, by and large, loser parents who don't care about anything besides materialism. I mean, these are the cultural values of the time throughout much of the world. So, and it's also a time when children are being taught, that they don't need to respect or care about those who are older than them. So there's something symbolic there as well. But I just want you to see what a ritual this is. 16-year-old girls don't just get to make the news out of the blue. Notice her birthday is January 3rd, 2003. It's a date with 9 numerology. 9. And I've always referred to September 23rd as the Super 9 date. September 23rd, 9/23. 23 is the 9th prime number, and September 23rd leaves 99 days left in the year. Her initials, Greta Thunberg, GT, equal 9. And notice CNN's top phrase, how dare you? That equals 45, which is the 9th triangular number if you had 1 through 945. So this girl's got the 9s. On the Super 9 date, she's front and center. And from her birthday, January 3rd, to today, September 23rd, 263 days later. Why does that matter? It's the 56th prime number. Climate change equals 56. She was in the headlines yesterday, Greta Thunberg. Yesterday had 70 date numerology. She's front and center today as well. Greta Thunberg, 65-56 reflections of each other, 70-70. So her name is perfect for climate change. Notice CNN writes, angry Greta Thunberg tells global leaders she will never forgive, and they emphasize will never forgive them for failing on climate change. And notice, angry Greta Thunberg, environmental activist, will never change. They all have the same numerical value. Every day the media does this. Just codes out numbers. The numbers are a language to these people. What is 94? 9 plus 4 is 13, right? What's her birthday? January 3rd, 1-3. What happens when you write out 13? when you write out 13 using the alphabetic order. So T's the 20th letter, H is the 8th, I's the 9th, R's the 18th, so on. 13 equals 99. When you use the alphabetic order and rules of numerology, the United States of America is 99. And the United States of America was named as such on 9/9, the nation that began with 13 colonies, 13 stripes on the flag, 13 years of public school programming. Did I close my window? Where did my window go of Greta? So what else is there about Greta Thunberg? Planet's also 94, attempting to save the world with her words. They make a point that she's 16 years old and she's Swedish. Notice Masonry, Swedish, 16. All perfect overlap. Not an accident. It's all ritual. Who's her parents? How are they connected to the network? Remember, the Bavarian Illuminati established May 1st, 1776, a date with 99 numerology with 13 families. Who's Greta related to? Surely somebody, All day, every day, learn the code, see through the propaganda. Weather warfare's real, the destruction of the planet's real. Climate change is the one thing they want you to focus on, not your consumerism and all the garbage that you help accumulate. Think about that. Till next time.